Okay, good day. Today I'm going to discuss how to calculate occupancy rate. So, occupancy figures and average spends are generated by a PMS, but it is always useful to know how to calculate this manually. From the information given in the chart, let's calculate the occupancy levels per night, average room rate per night, and here is the data. So here is the given day. Here is the rooms available for each day, and then here is the occupancy for each day, and this is the occupancy percentage, and this is the um, rooms revenue, and also the average room rate. Okay, here it is how we will calculate it. For the day of Wednesday, there are 300 rooms available. So for there are two, which is 106 occupied at 100 pesos. So to get um, the total revenue, rooms revenue, all you have to do is to multiply 106 to its amount. So there are 106 occupied rooms. So we will multiply it to 100. So when we multiply it to 100, 106 times 100, you will get 10,600. And then you have 112 occupied rooms at the rate of 80 pesos. So 80 times 112, wait for a while, times 112. So you can get an answer of 8,960. So all you have to do to get the total rooms revenue, you have to add um, their answer. So 8,960 plus 10,600 would give you an answer of 19,560. So for that, for the day of for Wednesday, you have 19,560 as the room revenue. So how can we get the occupancy percentage? For us to get the occupancy percentage, all we have to do is to add the occupied rooms for that day. So we have occupied rooms 106 plus 112. So that would give you 218 occupied rooms. Since out of 300 rooms available, the occupied room for that day is 218. So we have to get the average. To get the average, the sum of these occupied rooms for Wednesday is divided to the rooms available. So 218 divided by 300. So that would give you an answer of 72.66. So we will get the whole number. So we round it off. So that's why it is 73%. Now, let's calculate the average room rate. So to get the average room rate, so we will divide 19,560 to the sum of the occupied rooms for that day. So the rooms revenue is 19,560. So 19,560, we will divide it to 218 since the occupied rooms is 218. So divide it. So you will get an answer of 89.72. So we will get the full number, we will round it off. So we can have an answer of 90. So for that day, the average room rate is 90 pesos. So, we will do it for the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just like what I've told you, how to get the occupancy for Wednesday, the percentage, the room's revenue, and the average room rate. Now, let's ponder this discussion questions. Okay. So here are the questions. So what is the highest occupancy percentage? So let's look at the table to get the highest occupancy percentage. Let's look in here in column 4. So as you can see, the highest occupancy rate is 97%. Okay, next. Which day has the highest average room rate? So, the highest average room rate is 93 for Saturday and Sunday. They are the same. So, Saturday and Sunday had the highest average room rate. So, I noticed in here that the higher the occupancy percentage, the higher the average room rate. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Goodbye.